English. Open the page number all of you 78. Okay. Here 4 chapters in the grammar part. Verb and tense is there. 4 chapters. Okay. In the previous class we learned about pronouns. Now I am going to teach you verbs and tense. There are here 4 types of tense. Simple tense, present, past, future. Continuous tense, present, past, future. Perfect tense, present, past, future. Perfect continuous tense, present, past, futures. You already know the present, past, futures. Present means ಈಗಿರೋದು, past means ಆಗಿರೋದು, then future means ಬರೋದು. Mean you are in a third standard. Second standard is your past, third standard is your present, and fourth standard is your future tense. Got it? So there are, first we will take 2 types of tense, which are simple tense and continuous tense. According to simple tense, what will come? The simple present tense is used to show and the action that takes place on a daily basis or a routine. This tense is used to show habits and state facts. For example, I drink 2 cups of tea every morning. ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡೈಲಿ ರೋಟೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಡೈಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಯು ವಿಲ್ ವಾಶ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫೇಸ್, ಯು ಬ್ರಷ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೀತ್, ದೆನ್ ಯು ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೀ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಡೈಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಆ ಡೈಲಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸ್ಯಾಮ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಎ ರೆಡ್ ಕಾರ್, ಹಿ ನೌ ವಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹರ್ ಡಾಗ್ಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ present tense anta heltivi. Here underline the verb in the following sentence. I study for 3 hours a day. ಈಗ verbs ಅಂದ್ರೆ means what? Work ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಯಾವುದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಓದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಓದೋದು ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ. I am reading a book, so reading is a ಕೆಲಸ. I am writing is a ಕೆಲಸ. ನಾವು ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅದು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Here I study for 3 hours a day. Study is a working, na? So we have to underline the study. I play the piano once a month. Play ಅದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ವಾ, ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದು play. Underline the play. I ate my dinner with my family. ತಿನ್ನೋದು. I eat my dinner with my family. ನಾವು ನೀವು ತಿನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸನೇ. So we have to underline it. I write a letter to him every year. Write ಮಾಡೋದು, ಬರೆಯೋದು ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸನೇ. So underline to write. He wakes up at 7 a.m. every day. Wake up ಅಂದರೆ ಎದ್ದೋಳೋದು. ನೀವು every morning will wake up na, ಅದು ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸನೇ. So underline this. Come to simple past tense. Past tense means in the past tense we usually use ed form. Okay children, otherwise was will be were. These are the past tense words. Okay, here Karan ran a race yesterday. Run ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅದು it goes to ran. Andy studied. Here ed form is used. Where study is a present, studied. ed ಅಂತ add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it comes to past tense. Hard for the test. My mom cooked as some lunch. Cooked. Okay, ed form used. For the future we'll use will. Here for the future we use will. Okay, will ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Suddenly we have to identify it's a future. Simple future tense use the words will or shall. Okay, will or shall will use na, it's a future sentence. Sheila will complete the painting tomorrow. She here will come bantalva, so will ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, will or shall ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು future tense anta use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Here some sentences given in the past tense we have to change in the future tense. 7 are given, 4 I will do, remaining you have to do in your homework. First one already is given, I saw the new movie. I will see the new movie. Second one, they played football in the playground. They will, we have to add will here. They will play football in the playground. We swim in the pool all day. We will. We have to add will. Here swim. Here swim. Here we'll add a swim. We will swim in the pool all day. The group danced to the beats of a drum at the wedding. The group will dance. Here danced in the. Here we'll write dance. Okay. If you write dance, it's a past tense. Here we'll use will. Okay. Will to the beats of a drum at the wedding. Remaining 3 is there. You have to do. Okay. This one is a another 8th one is there also. You only do in your homework. Okay. Continuous tense. Come to continuous tense. Here continuous, the present continuous tense is used to show an action that is taking place now or in the present moment. The verb in this tense end with the ing. It uses the following structures. In the continuous tense we use am, is, are ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ಎನ್ ಜಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಐ ಎನ್ ಜಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಚೇರ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೋ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಎನ್ ಜಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್, ಕಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್, ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ರೈಟಿಂಗ್, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್, ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಈಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಈಗ ಆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು ಆ ಥರ ಐ ಎನ್ ಜಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಆ ಥರ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ವಾಸ್, ವರ್, ಐ ಎನ್ ಜಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಫಾರ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಎನ್ ಜಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಐ ಎನ್ ಜಿ ಫಾರ್ಮು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿ ವರ್ ಸ್ಲೀಪಿಂಗ್ ವೆನ್ ದ ಬೆಲ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಮಲಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೆಲ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಮಲಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ವರ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, WERE ವರ್. ವರ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೀನಾ ವಾಸ್ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್. ವಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾವು ಏನು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, future tense. Already I told you now, will and shall will use to future tense, be, verb, ing forms. Their band will be playing in the city next week. Will you use in here? So will and shall will use to future tense. Here fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb from the bracket. This town growth. Grow is given growth into a city in a some years. The teacher gave him some homework yesterday. Yesterday is already now. The children goes to the park every day. Okay. Mona working in her home. Still she is working. So we will write working. Jai flying a kite on every kite festival. My new have learned how to knit from next week. Okay. Okay children, in the next class I will take adverb. Okay, thank you.